am Merrick, and my middle name is Wilson, and I'm 6 years old. Fun things I like to do are surfing, going on the boat, and science. I started believing in Jesus a year ago. I want to get baptized today because I want to let the whole world know I love Jesus. Jesus died on the cross for our sins. He saved the world. He rose from the dead in 3 days.
All right, Merrick, how big is God?
1,000 million trillion, billion, feet tall.